So I got up at midnight and I decided I was going to start wood burning with my new razor tip. And also do an epoxy pour in the owl eyes. Guys, I don't think you could see the blue in the last video, but you can really see the blue here. Like, look at his lip. Like, look inside his eyes there. It's the only way you can really see it. It's way more... All that stuff that looks shiny, well, that color's blue, right? Anyways, I like this guy. Oh, well, not 100% on, but whatever. So, I decided I'm not going to put this in the Spirit Trails because I want to paint it. I looked up the word fairy doors and troll doors and elf doors for trees, and lots of them don't even have paint on them, actually. You know, they got like metal brackets here and little metal door hinges here, and there's all different sorts of stuff that you can do with these guys. This was just, I tried to hurry up and carve it yesterday to get it done. And be positive, Jordy. Now we got to fill up some paint in the paint tray here. Look, there's even cob spider webs in it. See? Look. Okay. Move forward. On with it. And another thing too, guys. Everyone. For the pros out there. I know I could take this way down so you don't see it round there, right? Okay. So if you look here. Like, look. What I normally do with my carvings, if I want this to stick out higher, I'll take all this down, right? In here, I'll take all this down so it doesn't look like it's a round hill, right? But anyways, whatever. All right, let's start painting, I guess. Okay, so the first color I'm going to use, it's just, all this is acrylic dollar store paint, will be red. I'll do the sun red, okay? Then maybe when I'm done the red, then I'll figure out what I'm going to do next. Looks like red to me. Okay, so this sun kind of looks like, what's Dr. Seuss' sun? So let's do green on the hill now, watch. Green on the hill, yep. Okay, green on the hill's done. So all you know that Bap over there at I Can Carve, check out his YouTube channel, I Can Carve. K for Ken and Carve. So, he's done tattoos and stuff like that. So, I got some green on here. Uh-oh. But he's done tattoos and stuff like that. So, I know he knows his color scales and stuff like that. And I just don't freaking know because I'm going to think it's going to look like a freaking rainbow. But he said make it a blue sky. So, Bap, if this, just so everybody knows here, let's clarify this. If this blue sky don't work in here, well, I'm going to blame it on you if that's okay. Okay, it's all your fault, Bap. It's all your fault. So, now I'm going to paint the bricks gray. The bricks around the window and the bricks around the door. Gray, yeah, that's it. Okay. So, there's what I just carved Rob's little characters. If you want to head over to his channel, Just Carve Rob on YouTube. Carves lots of little cool, silly little guys like this. But he didn't sign it, Rob. Very disappointing. Very disappointing. Anyways, so what I wish I would have done different painting this. It's something that Just Carve Rob does quite often. He's actually waters down his paint. Because if I would have watered down the paint, the black would have come through a lot, like that's 5, right? Okay. Home. JJ. No trolls. There's 5 too. Okay, so anyways, but you would have seen the cracks, like the black would have bled through better too. So I'm having fun. Yeah, it's bright and it's way too bright for me. I'm not a huge fan of painting my wood carvings because I think, well, they're all different. This is for kids. That's what I keep telling myself. Jordy, relax. It's for kids. So, but it is too bright for me. So, and it, guys, don't forget, it's like a 6 million year old elf door, right? So it's gotta look old. We'll fix that here in a second. Yep. Calvin. Fixing it. Oh, it's gonna look old when I'm done. Oh, it sure is. Wish I had my bigger torch here. Fixing it. It's getting fixed. Some of you might be like, how am I going to get in those little spots like that? Well, I got everything, guys. I've spent all my money on tools for years. Yep. Here's Johnny. Now to me, this looks way more whimsical, right? Old. So, you see the crack here? Since I've burnt it, it's opened up, it's gone along here. When I first started wood carving, I would have been like, no, it's garbage now, there's a crack there. Who cares? Who cares? I got a couple more things to get done on this. I'm going to, let's see here. I don't know what I'm going to do. Oh yeah, I got to paint in this window, yellow. So let's do that next. Okay, so I got this dollar store 5-minute epoxy, some acrylic paint, and I'm just mixing it up here. Make sure you guys mix up your epoxy really good, right? Because if you don't, well, it will never... I wish I didn't use this soft container to mix it too, because I want to make sure I get all the... So let's just pour it in here. Oh, look at this. We got a yellow window. Yeah. Okay. So we get this out of here. Let's just kind of work it around. I don't care if I want the black to show through, right? It's going to pool up because it's round. But that's what I'm going for. What do you think about that, huh? What about that? Just carve her up. Bye. Guys, I suggest when you do something with epoxy, always keep your brush and stuff around so you can, that's how you can tell how hard it's gotten, right? Before you can move it. That's all. As much as I don't like doing voiceovers, here I go. Okay, so the cedar kept on bubbling too crazy, so I kept on trying to pop the bubbles with the heater gun, but they just kept coming, and then I burnt the epoxy. You can see there, it's pink like a hot pink donut. Okay, so the epoxy's still like rubber. It's not fully cured yet, right? Because it goes like plastic. So I'm panicking to get it all out of there so I don't have to recarve, because I just didn't feel like recarving anymore. And I'm just trying to get all the epoxy out of there when it's like rubber. Okay, so there I am with the wire brush, just trying to clean it up more. And so here I am simplifying it with yellow paint, because guys, I did that epoxy pour twice. And there's some yellow paint. And what I learned next here is, when you burn yellow paint, it turns white. So thanks for tuning in to another Geordie on the Lake voiceover. You know, I was just looking at this piece here. This piece. And I was just thinking about, like, problems. We all run into problems, and I'm talking about life in general here. If you don't try and tackle those problems, you're never gonna conquer it. You know what I mean? Like, that was the second time that I did the epoxy pour in the window. The first time didn't work. I said, I'll do it again. Well, I didn't try and do anything different after this first pour. So I just said, screw it. I just heated it up too much and it screwed it up. But the second pour screwed up too. So when you have, just like a relationship, okay? It's kind of something that I go by. If it doesn't work out, if a relationship doesn't work out the first time, it's basically not going to work out the second time or the third or fourth time. Believe me, I've gone to third times and they never worked. And you're just left with a broken heart, right? So tackle your problems. It's simple as that. Even if they suck to tackle. Yeah, it sucked to dig out all the epoxy out of here. I made a friggin' mess out of everywhere. It sucked. 2 times I had to do it. But I tackled my problem. I said, this time I'm going to simplify it. And I'm not going to put epoxy there. I'm just going to paint it and burn it a bit. I love this piece now. I really do. Let's see it without these other things in it. Let's move this. I love this guy too. I love this guy too. I love all my wood carvings. Especially the ones that were given to me by my subs. But let's just see this without anything else with it. That looks like a friggin' magical door to me. Sure looks like an elf door to me. You guys know that I'm not done with this yet, right? And this is going to be really shiny too. I'll say that for sure. This is going to be shiny. I'm not done with it, so let's move on to the upgrades. I know I talk too much. Okay, upgrade time. Every door needs a wood spirit handle. Sure does. I know the handle's a little bit low. I don't care. Yes, it's doweled in. It's cedar. What I wanted to do to make this handle stronger is I poured that super glue. It's all over my fingers. I poured it all over it, but it went dull. Once the glue dried, like it kind of went dull. But I just got the sander. And once again, I fixed the problem. I just sanded it and made it all smooth again. Okay. So there's that handle on. It's doweled in, like I said. I got this stuff, gloss. Like I said, I want this piece to be shiny, so... There, good, look, it's gone nice and shiny again. So I'm going to take this outside and get this done. Oh, look at it. I love it. That's cool. Okay, so here you go, Mr. Custom Elf's doors. Here is a Carving Fusion elf door. Thanks again for the inspiration. You guys, when you use that spray stuff or anything like Spark, give it a good day to cure. Like, make it go like plastic. Because if you spray it, then an hour later you spray it, the wood's going to keep sucking it in, right? I sprayed this 3 times, so you can see some spots are shiny. Look like right there, that's not shiny. Because the wood just absorbed it, right? See? Look up there. Where there's more paint, it stayed shiny because the paint blocked it. And then you can see where it's flat. 3 sprays over 2 hours. So you guys give it a good day or two for each coat to dry, right? I sprayed this guy too. He's a bit more shiny. I'm going to be making more things like this. Anyways. So, here it is. I like the way the door handle turned out too. I just painted these door hinges on. Look, the paint's still wet. Look, that's wet paint. I don't care. Do you care? But I like the way it turned out. Oh yeah, I had one more upgrade. What could that be? Guys. Elf door. Mr. Elf door. Why not give your elf door windows too? You can make your windows however you can do it. Anything. Get out of here. Get out of my way. You can make it however you want to make it. But I just made this silly little moon window so you can put that higher up the tree, right? You know? Just gives it some more character. But I thought, Mr. Elf door man, if you do windows like that and you're selling your pieces, you could get a lot more money because it has a window. It doesn't have to be a moon window like that, but you know, your style of window, they're pretty simple to do compared to the doors, and you can get more money. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, guys, that's it. Hope you're all doing good. And making elf doors. Ooh, ooh. What do you think? Ooh. Just having fun. Just having fun. This isn't going in the spirit trails. I don't know where it's going. Do you? Don't forget to sign your pieces.